Good morning, friends. It's Wednesday. You know what that means. So you were actually...
You just see me the whole time.
Yeah, you were in the shot before you jumped out. Also, I'm struggling to not have the camera in our faces, but I want you guys to see the camera because it's a DJI Action 5, brand new. Bought it this week, just to vlog this week that is sure to be the biggest week of my entire life. Starts with Dynamite today, then Starcast, maybe Collision, All In on Saturday. And Veda, you're here in Dallas with me because you're going to be at All In, but you're also going to be doing commentary.
Yes.
For TJPW.
Yeah, Tokyo Joshi has a bunch of shows happening this week in the Houston area and the Dallas area. Where are you going?
This is the weirdest angle. I'm trying to not have the camera cover our faces.
Oh, yeah, sorry. TJPW has a bunch of shows in Houston and Dallas, like 3 shows. So I'm pumped for that. And then I'm pumped to watch you win the tag titles at All In.
Let's go. Okay, so today is the best day of my life because we have Dutch Brothers backstage.
Oh yeah.
At Dynamite. This is insane. Whoa. And who else we got? The
here.
Jet.
We here. What we got right here? What's this table?
We got energy drinks, cold brews, sugar-free, regular.
Sugar-free?
Yeah.
That's exactly what I need.
Yeah, for sure.
Today.
We even got hats.
Yeah, please take a hat if I can convince
Billy
you.
Starks.
Sugar-free vanilla?
Whoa, it's Billy Starks in a Dutch Brothers hat. That's
We
crazy.
love Dutch Bros in this house. Go get some good coffee. Good energy.
Oh my
Look
God,
at
this is unbelievable. Good energy. Do you have stickers?
No, we only have the hats.
No, the hats are good enough.
We're
I'll
gonna
stick
steal
a hat.
more merch next time
Right.
we see them.
So see, the problem is I can't wear hats. They sit weird on my head. They don't work. But Veda wears. Veda will wear it. No, it's the shape of my head. It's always been. It's a weird thing.
I'm definitely stealing the hat. This is
Yeah.
for me.
Okay, cool.
We got sugar.
Raspberry, passion fruit.
Man.
Any of these?
Wow.
Absolutely.
Dutch Bros hooking it
So
up.
wait, what else is in there?
All of these.
It's
all
sugar-free
you.
vanilla
If
right
you
now,
want
and then we
to
have
do
sugar-free half and
that
half
too.
as well.
Oh wow.
Yeah, good stuff. The nitro cold
So
brew.
one of our popular ones right now is our tropical.
Man, I'm gonna be on
bluegrass
fire today.
lime.
Let's
go.
I like the Vampire Slayer. It's strawberry pomegranate.
Let me do that.
And it sounds cool.
Yeah.
Strawberry
Yep,
pomegranate.
We getting right.
This is insane. It's on.
We here. It's on and it's popping.
Kevin, what the hell are we doing today?
You know, it's a lot of mischief going on. Last week we've been through a lot, so I feel like we gotta put them through a lot. Them being the Hurt Syndicate.
We gotta
And
put
maybe
the pressure.
that pressure on the patriarchy as well, because somehow they snuck their way into this match. So, you know what I'm saying? We gotta get some smoke for them too.
Yeah, so today we're getting more than just the word of the day from Mark Briscoe. We're getting a whole talkie talk between him and MJF.
Talky talk. Somebody gotta get the talking to, because some things gotta get straightened out.
And we're gonna need to keep a very close eye on that, see what happens. So today's Dynamite, tomorrow's Collision, Friday Starcast. Big week,
Yes.
huge week,
Yes.
gigantic week,
Come on.
Texas-sized week.
Everything is bigger in Texas. Everything. So, we're gonna get to the action. Make sure the action is packed. And we gotta make a stop by Whataburger. We gotta do it.
Ready to hit it? Let's go. Okay. When we win, we'll reward ourselves with Whataburger today.
Whataburger. We're gonna hit the Deep Ellum. You know about Deep Ellum?
No, I don't know Deep Ellum. What's
we
Deep
gotta
Ellum?
educate them about Deep Ellum.
What is Deep Ellum?
We gonna Google it. We gonna Google it.
All right, so we came up with a naughty little plan, which was to sneak into a locker room and take some tag belts so that at least Mark Briscoe could have a nice, polite debate with MJF without having to worry about being outnumbered by some other dudes. So, and then when they did came out, we had their number.
We came prepared. Listen, it's chess, not checkers.
That's right.
It's chess, not checkers.
It's not even 3D chess. It's not even 4D chess. We're playing 5D chess in the sky with airplanes. Not even pieces.
5D.
5D.
That means all feelings.
There's a fifth dimension.
See, I don't know if they're ready for that. If you don't
Yeah.
listen, if you don't understand what we're talking about, you'll always be under jet speed, but that's okay, Hurt Syndicate. Because now you got a little bit of taste of what y'all been giving us the past few weeks. How'd it taste? Ask him.
Bet it tasted a little bit like metal, a little metallic taste in your mouth, right? Coming straight from the back of your head,
Little mercury.
all the way to the front. But yeah, so the
mercury.
table is set. Tomorrow, we got Collision.
Mañana.
Big match was made.
Okay.
So we're gonna get some rest tonight.
I'm looking forward to it. We're gonna be in there with some legends. Some legends gonna be in the ring with some other legends in the name of Jet Speed. So tune in to find out.
Let's go. There it is. Officially, tomorrow, FTR and the Patriarchy, or the Patri-FTRchy, versus Jet Speed and the Outrunners, name TBD.
And the bathroom does not look good.
Okay.
Oh gosh. There's a reason I'm in the bathroom with two.
That's all right. It's
people.
fine. It's
Yeah.
fine. Just relax.
Is it like they say in
So-
the films? What's gonna happen?
Amira and Michael Oku.
Oh hi.
So yes, so the good thing about this segment of my vlog, which is, by the way, the most popular segment of my vlog, it's highly demanded, beloved, is that this goes on the internet. So if anyone is wondering, why did Speedball My Bailey go in the bathroom with Michael Oku and Amira? Well, it's online for everyone to watch.
The people who might have just seen that happen.
Right, yeah.
Right, that's a good point.
We have
That's
proof.
a good point. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
They can't.
They bought the subscription to see this.
No, we're giving this away
No,
for free.
if there's a stooge,
this
he's
is
saying
free
if there's a stooge, a backstage stooge that's saying, hey, I just saw those three
Or
go to the
someone
bathroom.
leaking the content online.
Well, now
okay.
we've got evidence of what happened.
Oh right, okay.
And what is about to happen
I'm so excited.
is the PTDR.
Let's go.
Oh. Sorry.
There it is.
So,
There it is.
the PTDR, the paper towel dispenser review.
Right. Okay.
Whoa.
You just something just.
So we've got Georgia Pacific here,
Came out.
N Motion. This at the, I never know what this is. Georgia Pacific by N Motion or Georgia Pacific featuring N Motion technology. But, so we're gonna look at several things, right? So we've got an automatic, right? No handles on either side.
I do like it when it works automatic straight away.
Right? So we've got to look at the responsiveness, how responsive it is. We've got to look at the dispense, how does it dispense? How sensitive is it? We've got to look at the
Hope's
tear.
Very sensitive.
When
especially
we're
finger
gonna tear it, is it gonna be a nice, clean, even cut?
motion. Yeah.
Right? So, would you do us the honor?
Could you place your hand on the sensitive spot?
doing this.
Place your hand on the sensitive
Can you
spot.
stop talking?
Oh,
That's good.
excellent cut.
cut's
Wow.
Oh,
Now,
it's
here's
a
my
bit,
question.
It's a
Do I
bit
have-
rough around the edges.
We do have to verify the sensor.
Wait a minute.
Wait,
no,
as
that's
a woman,
the key.
I know the sensitive spot. Please hold my stuff. I'm going in.
Goodness gracious. Why? You don't have to. There's a urinal around you. Okay, actually, to be fair, she got it, and I didn't. I was trying.
Yeah.
Wow.
You fucking like that? Yeah.
That's. Come on now.
Wow.
Fucking bad paper dispenser, Georgia.
No, don't. You don't want to.
You don't want to walk in here right now, man. There's some
And then-
stuff going on.
And once again, he's gonna be like, I need to get out of here. What is going on in there? And luckily,
So now, the question, do you like that? Well, you guys have to respond to that. How much do you like this paper towel dispenser? And the way we rate it is it goes from 1 to 5, but up to 7 sometimes.
Yes. Yeah,
Or
I
maybe
know.
more.
I know that to be true.
We don't know.
I know that to be true. Yeah.
So, what is the rating on this paper towel dispenser?
I actually find it quite nice. It's a bit thick.
I think you're asking the fans, right?
No, I'm asking you
Oh,
guys.
you're asking. Oh, 6.
It's got
6?
6.
6 out of 5 stars.
Yeah, that's it. I don't know why. There's something about that number breaking the scale that I'm a big fan of.
I'm gonna go with a solid 8.7.
8.7, that's
Yeah.
insane!
Saying
Friends, we're back. Good morning. It is Thursday. We've got live Collision tonight. I've got a big 4-4, but I've got Dutch Brothers again to get me through it. It's a big match, so let's go get ready. All All right, we're going up in a second. Kevin,
Woo!
you ready?
Yes, you already know I am.
Jet
With
speed.
Our good breath.
the Outrunners.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you how ready I am. Look at the guns, baby. Truth Magnum, you pumped up or what?
Yeah, if you haven't seen the Jet Speed Runners, you haven't seen nothing yet.
Time to get your balls out. Are we doing balls out? Are we balls out? We're balls out? Yeah, okay, good.
Hey, good luck trying to find them, all right?
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah.
Woo! Let's go. My God. Listen, Speedball, you did your thing out there. If y'all watch that match from tonight, whenever this airs, Speedball did his thing out there.
That was live.
That was super
Did my thing live.
Wow.
Man.
Us and the Outrunners, it's a match made in heaven. We got to come up with some type of name, some type of vignette, because I want to go back to the 80s.
Hell yeah.
I want to take some time to see what it's like to watch Total Recall in the theaters. You know what I mean? They make me want to see Terminator all over again. So.
We've been known to disrespect time and space to make people forget what year it is and take them to a different time. But Kevin, I feel refreshed. I feel cleansed.
Yes.
I feel like I just took a fresh bath.
Drenched in FTR sweat. Drenched in patriarchy sweat.
Just wiping away the bitter taste from my mouth of having to fight tooth and nail against the Hurt Syndicate for the last several weeks.
I thought it was the Hurt Locker.
The Hurt Locker, the Hurt Syndicate, the Hurt Boys, the Hurt People, whatever their names are.
Whatever it is, Jet Speed is hurting them this upcoming Saturday.
It's a shame that it took us this long to memorize our names, because hopefully after Saturday we just take their belts and forget about them completely.
You know, wipe them away from time, space, and this whole continuum.
Just erase them.
You know what I mean?
Just erase them in the patriarchy.
That's how I'm feeling.
Yeah.
But you know, tonight, we got karaoke tonight. Tonight is
Wait, we got karaoke tonight?
We got karaoke tonight. You didn't know?
No, are you going to karaoke?
I'm definitely going to karaoke tonight. We got some more footage coming up. Stay tuned.
So let's hit up the karaoke.
Yes, sir.
All right, what's your jam? Let's go. Let's practice. All right, friends, I am back at the hotel and I am absolutely wiped. So here's the thing. I'm not sure if I'm going to go to karaoke later. I might not, but I know that right now, if I want this vlog to be uploaded by tomorrow, I'm going to have to get editing right now. So if I do go to karaoke, I'll let you guys in on that, but it's going to be on the next vlog. Tomorrow is StarCast, so those will be together. My plan is to make a StarCast vlog and then an all-in vlog, so we're getting 3 this week. Just to thank you guys for all the support. It's been a wild ride leading up to All In, so thank you all so much for the likes, subscribing to the channel, commenting, sharing with me your thoughts, your feelings about everything I've been doing in AEW, and all your best wishes for All In, because that is the big one and I am pumped. All right, I'll get editing and I'll see you guys tomorrow.